Hello, Stacy. Hello, Frank. My name is Sergio with Kansas City Business Operations. And in a screencast, I spoke with your front office, and I believe it was Stacy. And we agreed I'm going to show you three things that you can do today to help bring more customers to your business, Lawrence Landscape. So, the first question is usually along the lines of why. Hello, Stacy. Hello, Frank. My name is Sergio with Kansas City Business Operations. And in a screencast, I spoke with your front office, and I believe it was Stacy. We agreed I'm going to show you three things that you can do today to help bring more customers to business, Lawrence Landscape. Now, the first question is usually along the lines of why you should do this. Well, partner, oftentimes in the world of the internet, most local owners are too busy running their business to learn how the internet can benefit them and their company. Sometimes the only hesitation they have with hiring someone is that they don't know who's an expert and who isn't. But I have found by giving people an easy attack plan of things they can do to impact their business for free has resulted in those local owners still raising their hand and saying, I like you, Sergio, and can you please do this for me? So if by the end of the video you liked what you heard, you can see the skills out that help your business grow and land more customers, you can shoot me a message back and we can chat. Or if you simply want to take this free attack plan and try it out yourself, that works for me too. Now before you try to do it yourself, let me show you three things that will set your company above your local competition. The first thing I'd like to go over with you is your content. So in order for a business, your business, anyone's business, to be optimized with Google, their landing page, aka homepage, needs at least 1,500 words filled with keywords. Now, I found your site has about 577 currently on the homepage. Now, in comparison to one of your competitors, I'll be going over Pine Landscape, and they really don't have many words at all on the front page, which is really great because you're beating them in that aspect. But this shows how keyword-rich content is a powerhouse authority for Google. Now, every month people are searching for these keywords a number of times, which you miss out on not being number one. So as you can see, when I pull up this tool, Aris I use, you can see what your site is dense with. And your site has about 1,007 backlinks, 119 referring domains, and 955 organic keywords. And if you have questions about any of these after the video and you've gotten it and watched this, you may ask me questions when we talk next. So let's take a look at your competitors' keywords, or your keywords, my bad. So landscaping, Lawrence, Kansas, you got that in the hole. Yep. Yeah, first position, you're getting 32 traffic out of this first position out of the 100 times this keyword is searched per month. So you're doing pretty well with all these first positions bringing in this organic traffic. So now the next thing you need to do is find higher ranking keywords like the 800, 100, and replace these 40, 30s, and 40s. You'll be ranking in a lot more just like this guy, landscaping with mulch. Now it's weird because you're not getting that much traffic when you're in the first position. So we can fix this easily. So now that you know a little bit about what goes into a keyword and how it helps your content, you got the keyword, you got volume, amount of times this keyword is searched per month. You have the KD, how hard it is to rank. Cost per click goes with AdWords, like how much it is to use this keyword in your ads. Traffic is how much you can add this volume, depending what position you're in. So first position you get more, second, third, fourth you get less, so on and so on. So now, moving on to the next optimization section is the second most important thing I'd like to talk about. We call this thing the Google Map Pack Maps. And on these results, you can see the business name, the address, and the phone number, aka NAPs. So you're probably asking, hey, how do I rank in maps? Well, besides the obvious, you want to get your ratings 5 stars as many times as you can. That's definitely going to boost. That's probably why you're in the first. Now, the main reason why people rank in this is because they have citations. So taking you to this cool tool, Whitespark, and inside the tool there's a local citation finder. Now you can see how many citations you have. You have 21, but none of those are credible. So for some reason, Google's not registering your citations and listing them as such. But these citations, aka NAPs, are submitted word for word into directories such as Yellowbook, Whitebook, StacyStar, so on and so on. Even Facebook has an area to where you can submit a citation. That being said, you want at least 100 to 200 of these so you can keep the top position of which you're at, so no one else comes in underneath you and steals your lead. And for the third thing, I'd like to cover with you is another important aspect of Google. Of course, all three of these are very important, but you have the organic listing. What goes into an organic listing is backlinks. So backlinks is what gives your site authority, aka link juice. And we had search for landscape Lawrence. Yours is first, of course, because you have Lawrence landscape. You have the city and niche. You also have a lot of backlinks. And you have dirt clod landscaping, second. Willow Ridge landscape, third. Low maintenance landscape, fourth. So on and so on. All these guys are on the way to reach first. So keep increasing your backlinks, keep increasing your citations, and you will stay there. You want to be here, and to be here, you need to be out the competition every aspect. Link juice, simply put, it works like this. Site A is playing Site B, therefore Site B is getting more link juice than Site A. So almost like a popularity contest. But there's more to it just that. The link juice you obtain works a lot more effective when you have relative sites that can back at you. So, for example, if you have pizza linking back to you, it'd be a lot less effective than like a dirtclodlandscaping.com linking back to you because you don't sling pizza for a living. So I'm gonna pull up Ahrefs again, and we're gonna look at your backlinks. So if you're looking to use this tool, I pay about $100 a month. It's great for check out any link juice, any statistics on any site that you may want to research. So you can see every single link from where it's coming and to where it's going. So if you can do this with yours, you can definitely do it with your competitors, right? So you go to their backlinks, and we can take every single one that they have and make them your own. Now some of these might be a lot stronger than your backlinks. So taking those stronger ones with a higher DR, higher UR, that's what you want. So, like I said, looking down below, take every single one. The three things that we went over today: content, citations, and backlinks. For your content, you want at least 1,500 words throughout your home page, and at least 700 to 1,000. You can always do more on any service pages or any location pages. Any about page, like one of these, you want at least 500 to 700. The service areas, 1,000 at least. And for your citations, I got ahead of myself. We definitely need to start increasing these citations. This will keep you in the first place in map and keep you from getting leads to anyone else. And lastly, certainly not the least, we have link juice. You need more relevant sites pointing to you guys to show Google you are authority. And if you implement these strategies today, you can be number one across Google, and you can stay number one across Google. So you're probably wondering what now? Well, you can either go with this information I provide you today and do so on your own, and I'm totally cool with that. Or you can take the most effective route and save yourself the time and give me a call at 816-654-5822. And once again, my name is Sergio, and my number is 816-654-5822. So I'll talk to you soon, Stacy or Frank. And yes, have a good day.